Hey guys, it's Bryson. Today we're going to talk about the different levels of inspection when it comes to beef and meat processing. So we're here at our processing plant today, guys, and I wanted to answer a pretty common question that I get all the time, and that is, what does it mean that you guys are USDA inspected? Well, there's really three levels of inspection here in the state of Texas that we deal with all the time. So I wanted to give a brief video on what the differences are. So the first and probably the lowest, what I would consider the lowest level inspection, is going to be a custom exempt grant of inspection. Now, in the state of Texas, the custom exempt grant of inspection can be issued by the state of Texas, and that's governed by the Texas Health Department. And when we say custom exempt processing, what we're talking about is processing an animal directly for the owner of that animal. So this usually works in one or two different ways. This is a farmer or rancher who brings in an animal to feed their family, or a farmer or rancher brings in an animal on behalf of someone else who's going to have that beef processed. What that transaction usually looks like is you buy a half of beef from a local farmer or rancher. You're going to technically take ownership of one half of that animal before it's processed. Then it'll be processed under custom exempt inspection or lack thereof, and it'll go directly back to you. Now, all of that meat is going to be stamped not for sale, and that's just all part of the custom exempt process in which that meat has to go back to the owner of the animal so that it never enters commerce. So the second level inspection that we have here in the state of Texas is going to be a state level inspection. So state inspected products, these are, in our case, will be inspected by the state of Texas Health Department. And that's kind of one level above custom exempt, and I would call that our level 2 inspection. And what that lets you do is not only process under custom exempt, but it would also let you sell that meat in commerce within the state of Texas. So because the state of Texas has said, hey, our employees were there, they were able to verify your safety measures, you can sell this product in the state of Texas for intra-state commerce, something like that. Now, the third level of inspection that I want to talk about today, and this is what we operate under here at our processing plant, is going to be the USDA, or a federal grant of inspection. So what this federal grant of inspection lets us do is the things we've talked about in the other two levels of inspection, but it also lets us ship and sell our product across state lines. So as a federally inspected facility, we're able to sell our product outside of the state lines of Texas. You see that in our shipping process. All of our products that are produced here at our plant are done so under USDA inspection. So when we say USDA inspection, the question always comes up, what do you mean by that? There's a lot of misconceptions about what the USDA does and does not do for inspection. So the United States Department of Agricultural Food Safety Inspection Service, or FSIS, is what governs USDA meat processing plants and their inspection. So what that means is anytime we are harvesting or processing meat products here at our plant, we have a USDA employee here on site. They don't touch the product. They don't have any say on what we put in. All they are doing is making sure that we are following all relevant food safety rules and regulations, making sure that everything that comes out of our plant is safe for human consumption and safe to enter commerce. There's oftentimes people say, well, you have a government employee there adding stuff. They have no ability to modify or change our product in any way. They are observers who make sure that we're following the rules. So anytime that we want to be working here, we've got a USDA inspector here on site who's checking our product temperatures and making sure that we're following the rules all the way across the board. So if you guys would like to see more videos about that, I'll be sure to film some here. Hopefully that explains the different levels of inspection, and hopefully you found something interesting in this video. If you'd like to see more videos, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you guys next time.